Oceans have a profound impact on weather patterns, influencing rainfall and temperature. The ocean provides a source of food, with many people depending on it for their livelihood. The ocean is a vast body of salt water converging most of the Earth's surface. They play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing and releasing heat. It is divided into different regions, including the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, and Southern Oceans. They contain valuable resources like fish, oil, and minerals that support various industries. Oceans are vital for transportation, enabling the movement of goods and people around the world. Protecting the ocean is essential for maintaining the health of the planet and ensuring a sustainable future. Oceans are home to a wide variety of marine life, from tiny plankton to massive whales. It also offers recreational opportunities such as swimming, surfing, and boating.